Staffordshire Terrier. Often confused with the American Pit Bull Terrier, the Staffordshire Terrier is one of the best guard protection dogs. They were originally bred for bear and bullfighting, hence, they have an aggressive and protective nature. Because of this, they must be properly socialized and trained from an early age. And although they are intimidating to strangers, Staffordshire Terriers make great household pets, as they are known to be aggressive only when protecting a family member. Kuvass. Kuvass was initially bred to guard livestock but, over the years, has been increasingly found as guardians of homes. This breed is very territorial and has a strong instinct to guard his family members. The Kuvass tends to be aloof with strangers but craves affection from his family. In addition to desiring constant companionship, the Kuvass is very energetic and therefore needs plenty of exercise. Rhodesian Ridgeback. Originally bred to hunt lions, this dog breed has a strong prey drive and tends to be independent in nature. Rhodesian Ridgebacks are loyal to their family and make natural watchdogs. They are known for being selective in their barking, so when a Ridgeback does bark, it needs to be taken seriously. Rhodesian Ridgebacks must be properly trained and managed, as they are not naturally obedient. Furthermore, this breed loves to cuddle and often likes to act as a lapdog. German Shepherd. Due to their high intelligence and quickness to learning commands, German Shepherds are one of the best protection dogs. They are bold, confident and fearless, hence making them a favorite police dog breed. Additionally, German Shepherds have a calm demeanor when in a household, but will quickly react when their family or home is threatened. Giant Schnauzer. Giant Schnauzers are strong, powerful and dominant dogs, thus making them one of the best guard dogs for homes and families. They are very intimidating to strangers but extremely loyal to family members. Keep in mind, however, that this breed requires a lot of mental and physical stimulation as well as constant attention. Puli. Originally bred for herding, Pulis are extremely smart and make excellent guard dogs. They are always on guard and will bark to alert their owners of anything out of the ordinary. Due to their high intelligence, Pulis require constant companionship. They make great additions to families with active lifestyles, as they love hiking, running and outdoor activities. Komondor. Traditionally used to protect herds of sheep, the Komondor possesses a natural guard dog ability. This breed is active, courageous, loyal and known for his dignity and strength. If properly socialized and trained in obedience, this breed makes a devoted family pet. Rottweiler. Originally bred as cattle-protecting dogs, Rottweilers are known to be relentless protectors of their pack. They are an intelligent breed and extremely loyal to their owners. Rottweilers are known to be aloof with strangers until properly introduced to them. Additionally, they are very quick learners, thus making them one of the best guard dogs for families. Doberman Pinscher. If you have a large piece of property that you are trying to protect, a Doberman Pinscher is a great guard dog for you. This breed is incredibly fast and is able to reach an intruder in a short amount of time. Known as the fifth smartest dog breed in the world, Dobermans are fearless, alert, and loyal dogs. Because they need a lot of exercise, however, they are best suited for families with large yards and active lifestyles. Bull Mastiff. Known for physical strength, protection instincts, courageousness, and extreme family loyalty, the Bull Mastiff is one of the best guard dog breeds to have. If an intruder crosses the premises, a Bull Mastiff will typically use his strength to knock them over or block their path. When it comes to being in a family environment, however, the breed is very docile and makes a great household pet.